9 a.m. and we are going to the gym. So early kami for the gym today because meron din siyang training at 9 a.m. It's a cloudy day, it's a gloomy day, but we are up early to go to the gym because it's also part of our routine to do something physical on a daily basis. So ito na, this is our something physical today. I hope the weather will get better within the day para makapag-bike din kami because guys, I started biking na by the influence of him kasi he's a bikerist, he's a cyclist, he likes to bike and merong available bike sila. So ayun, nag-bike kami the other day. And I really liked it, in fairness. Natuto ako mag-bike when I was young. And I didn't think na kaya ko pang mag-bike till now. But I tried and I did it. And also, last night, by the way, we met with his friends. Well, our friends now. Kumain kami sa labas. Nag-dinner kami sa Ukrainian place. And I was so happy kasi nakita ko ulit sila. It's been a while. Last year? That we saw them? Yeah, last year when I was here again. So, ngayon, finally, meron na siyang baby. Babawi ako sa gym.
There's another car vlog for you.
Yeah, I know. Guys, sorry. I'm gonna do better, okay? I will do better, I promise. Ito na. Let's put more action in these vlogs. Okay? By the help of my jowa. Ayan. Siya ang tutulong sa akin para mas maging entertaining at mas maging nakakaaliw itong vlog na kasi puro sa car ako nag-chichika. Alright, anyway guys, malapit-lapit na kami sa gym. We're here. Ayan yung gym. Diyan kami nag-workout. Dun. Meron siyang coffee shop sa loob. And then ito yung parking. Ayan. Oh, diba? It's a gloomy day today. If there is a fancy car here, Valentunas would be here, but there is no fancy car, so he's not here. By the way, guys, nung other day na nag-workout kami is nandito yung Lithuanian NBA basketball player. What's his name again, babe? JV. His name is JV. But what's the first name? Jonas Valentunas. Ayun, napakalaking tao, oh my God. And then, kasi sinasabi nila na kamukha daw niya si Travis Kelce. Tapos sabi ko sa kanya, nung umalis na si Valentunas, sabi ko, parang hindi naman. In person, hindi. Pero I think in pictures, he does. Tapos na kami mag-workout and I have iced Americano coffee from the coffee shop there. So now, meron pa kaming isang errand na gagawin. Pipick upin namin yung gift para kay Emily, yung pamangkin niya kasi birthday nila ngayon. Yun yung gagawin namin. That was a good workout. Ouch. How was your workout, babe? Good. The stand of the DJI is at home. I forgot. But anyway, we are done with our workout. And now on to our next errand for the day. And see, I have Cafe Americano. Maglalakad kami papunta dun sa toy store. And it's a 4-minute walk dito sa streets of Pampanga. So, ang ginawa niya is, nag-order lang siya dun sa online. And then now, we're gonna pick it up. That's how easy. Labubu. Tapos, ang gift namin is Labubu. So, at this moment, Labubu is the thing here in Europe.
Coming to the west.
It's coming to the west. Yun yung gift namin sa pamangkin niya. Labubu. You know what? If you told me that she is into Labubu right now, I could have just took my Labubus with me because I have like 15 of them at home.
I didn't know.
They're crazy about Labubus right now. Before opening it later, we have to guess which one here. So, and this is a secret. So, you're lucky if you get a secret Labubu. But these are the basic ones. And also, ukay-ukay. There, ukay-ukay. And also guys, pupunta kami sa market. Pumunta na kami dito before. Pero hapon na nun, so it wasn't full. But now, it's open. Oh, ito. Ay, wow. Babe, is this the blood?
Yeah, yeah. But it's cooked.
So there's a version that's not cooked?
Yeah. Like this is like different a little bit.
So these are the smoked meats that they have, like hams, chorizo. Ito guys, yung ano daw yan, dugo ng pork. Pig blood.
We can go after this car. Rock your body. Come on, rock your body. Rock your body. Come on.
Nandito na kami sa, parang, what are these? Like restaurants, cafes.
This is the spa, yeah.
Yeah. And nag-drop by kami dito kasi meron daw masarap na shawarma here and we're gonna taste it. Isa lang yung kinuha namin. Just to try, we're gonna share it. So we just finished a 18-minute bike ride and I have a new helmet. I love it. So it was easier this time. It's just that yung ano sa seat area of the bike, I think I'm still getting used to it. Medyo masakit. Masakit siya. But sabi niya masasanay lang daw ako. So, okay. I'm looking forward to that.
What are we gonna eat? Shawarma,
We
you
are
said?
gonna have shawarma.
How much was it?
I don't know. I did not pay. You pay.
When was the last time you got your credit card out?
Ever since I got here. No. When I bought my hair straightener in Vilnius. You know, I'm an independent girl. I pay for what I buy. But then...
It was 800 pesos for one shawarma.
What?
Yeah, 12 euro.
12 euro?
Yeah.
For one shawarma? Babe,
Yeah.
do you know how much shawarma is in the Philippines?
How much?
Correct me if I'm wrong. guys, sa comment below. But I think it's only 199 pesos or 149 pesos, something like that.
Well, this is
Is this a fancy
this is
shawarma?
a handmade
Oh.
shawarma.
What meat did you get?
Chicken.
Was there a choice if meat,
Beef.
or chicken? So we got chicken. Vischena.
Manok.
Vischena?
Manok.
Yeah, that's the Lithuanian.
Vischena.
Vischena. Vischena. So let's see if it's worth 800 pesos. 800 pesos for a shawarma?
Grabe.
Grabe. So expensive.
Okay.
That doesn't even come with drink. We brought our own drink.
And I don't think it comes with the price.
No, it doesn't. So let's see. We'll update you guys in 3, 2, 1. So malaki pala siya. It's 1 foot, almost 1 foot. Kaya pala siya 800 pesos. Have you tried this before? It has a lot of mayo. That's what I can say. It's good. Seatbelt. Good morning! So, ito lang, galing lang namin nag-withdraw ng cash. Because today is the first day of our cute little journey. So, we are gonna go on a road trip again. And this time, it will be in Central Europe. Is that considered Central Europe?
Well, we're gonna pass through Central Europe and we're gonna make our way
To south?
Yeah.
Yes. So we're gonna make our way to the south. So this is the first day, you guys, and as usual, we will bring you guys with us again. So kaka-withdraw lang namin ng cash, and nag-withdraw siya ng cash, and then ako din, nag-withdraw din ako ng cash, so that we will not depend on our credit cards. Kasi syempre, sa mga pupuntahan and everything, you need cash, right? Para sure. Kasi hindi naman lahat ay nagka-credit card. But anyway, eto na, it's time check. It's 8:31 a.m. So, we are right on time sa mga plans namin. And talagang ito yung time na binalak namin na talagang mag-start ng road trip. So, can you say good morning to them, babe?
Good morning.
Good morning. We had our coffee at home, but I feel like we need coffee on the way. You think? Yeah. So, eto na, papalabas na kami ng Palanga. So, by now, you guys should know Palanga. Dito kami nakatira. Papalabas na kami ng Palanga. It's such a pretty day. It's sunny, it's blue. Ayan, oh. It's very sunny and warm. Everybody's out. This is the amount of hours that we have to drive today. Ayan, so we have 8 hours and 30 minutes, and that is going to Ostrava?
No, this is
Katowice, Poland. So, ayun pala.
We're gonna cross through the whole Poland today.
So, we're gonna cross whole Poland daw today. So, within 8 hours and 30 minutes, you can cross the whole Poland. So, that's like driving from Manila going to Ilocos Sur. Ayan. But it's different because here,
So, the distance is 2 times. It's going to Ilocos North and coming back.
and coming back. Oh yeah, good luck to the both of us, babe. Yeah, good luck on this road trip again.
Good luck for you yapping and for me driving.
I need to find the right topics for us to talk about in this road trip. Oh my god. Yeah, anyway, we'll update you guys. And I'll do better on the vlog, okay? I'm not just in the car. We are here after 8 hours of driving.
9.5.
9.5, guys. Nandito na kami. Thank you, Lord, for the safe travels. How do you feel, babe?
I feel good.
Diba? Nice! Ta-da! Okay, that's really nice. So what happened was, nagkamali ako ng date ng nabook dito sa hotel. Buti na lang, one night lang kami dito and yun lang yung mali ko, and also it's affordable. So at least isa lang yung nasayang. It's like around 3,500 pesos lang yung one night dito. So ayun, there was no way to retrieve it. There was no way to fix it. So we had to rebook again for today. But buti na lang, yung receptionist, she was so kind. And sabi niya, they're gonna try if they can do something about it. And ayun, she was very sorry. But anyway, those things happen. It's really normal. Magsisettle lang kami. And then yung mga staff sa baba, sa car, kukunin pa namin. But all in all, it was an easy travel. Super chill. Do you feel tired after all that?
I want to eat like that McDo.
Me too. We only had McDo for lunch, so I also want to eat something nice. Maybe we will try Polish food tonight since we're here in Poland. So, and also, babe, we're gonna eat here for dinner. We're not going out.
What did she say about those prices?
Yeah, the voucher.
Yeah.
She was offering a voucher if we eat here, because there's also.
What did she say? 180.
Yeah, I think no. I think the value is 180 or 140, something like that. But because of the voucher, we will only pay 90 or 80 per person, something like that. Mali na naman yung naintindihan ko. That is our situation here. But good thing we got here. We made it. Eto na, paakyat na kami, okay? And mag-vlog ako pag nandun na kami, okay? Kasi baka nakakahiya mag-vlog dito.
What's your order?
So, we ordered the bestseller, the beef with red cabbage and some potatoes. That's for one meal. And then the other one, we ordered the dumplings. I ordered that one for us to share. And then one soup, like a sour soup. So yun lang po. That's what we ordered, and we're gonna share that. We're not big eaters here.
What about this?
Oh,
How did
this is,
you like
what
it?
is this? Like a berry drink? Or?
Berry drink, yeah. Kompot.
Is this alcoholic drink?
No, there's no alcohol here.
So this is a Polish restaurant na yung mga food nila dito are homemade Polish food. And it had good reviews and a lot of reviews. So let's see. Wow. So this is the soup. And this is the dumplings.
And this is one hungry person.
I am. Oh, taste test.
Cepalino.
So it has potato, it has egg, it has.
Cepalino.
Thank you. Put it. Okay. That's warm. Perfect.
Is it sour? Yeah.
No, not at all. I don't know why they say it's sour. Okay. So maybe you guys are wondering why we just order one soup, one main, one appetizer, whatever. Because we've learned our lessons from our other trips, because we always over order. And we hate the feeling when either we don't finish the food or we're too full. So now, sakto lang. Like super just right. We order just right, the amount. And this can fill you up, you know? Because it has potato, it has egg, it has sausages.
You like it?
I like it. And also,
Jesus. Eating.
I feel like what we're gonna do in the next restaurants that we're gonna eat at, we will just ask the bestseller. What is the bestseller? And then this. Because it turns out to be good. So it's nice. I really like the beef, this one, the meat. And ang sarap din itong parang cabbage, like purple cabbage. And then the potato, these are potatoes.
Yeah, like dumplings.
And it has that texture, na parang sticky rice texture.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
Not the fan of the potatoes, but this
No, you mean the
dumplings, yeah, but
the rest,
yeah.
good. Nice pick. Siya yung pumili dito sa restaurant. Nice pick.
Thank you.
Good job, babe. And he also picked the hotel here in Poland. So you're the Poland guy. I will be the Vienna girl.
Let's see.
I'm scared. Busog na. Also, these kinds of trees, look. Up here? That's close. Okay, so we're done eating. Oh my god, so busog. And the total was 35 euro.
34, yeah.
34 euro, 140 their currency here, 35 euro, so that's around what, 1,800? Not bad for a dinner. Oh my god, that's a nice sunset.